Understanding Out of the Game, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, out of the game. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your language skills. Let's dive in. Out of the game is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is no longer participating or involved in an activity, competition, or situation. It can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literal use: in sports, a player who is injured might be described as out of the game. Metaphorical use: in a business context, a company that has stopped competing in the market could be said to be out of the game. Understanding how to use out of the game in different contexts is crucial. Here are some examples. 1. Sports commentary. With their star player out of the game, the team struggled to maintain their lead. 2. Career discussions. After taking a long break, I feel like I'm out of the game in terms of the latest technology trends. 3. Personal relationships. Ever since his breakup, he's been out of the game and not interested in dating. It's helpful to know similar phrases and synonyms. Out of the running, more specific to competitions and races. Off the field, often used in sports. No longer in play, a broader term that can be used in various contexts. To remember this phrase, associate it with a visual of someone stepping away from a game or activity. This image can help solidify the meaning in your mind. And that's a wrap on Out of the Game. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a key step in mastering a language. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.